best virtual data room software. What is the virtual data room software? Incorporation, two-factor authorization, and simple sign-on controls. The tools enable the hosting of confidential information under structured permission and manager to viewers' ability to release the information by limiting the ability to forward, copy, or print the documents. So, virtual data room software is important for a virtual data room user. So, I think you need to best virtual data room. So, I think this video is helpful for you. Best virtual data room software. So you go to my YouTube channel and more a video virtual data room. So virtual data room software need to anyone and any people. So if you like the video, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. So latest video of virtual data room notify for you. So goodbye and take a lap. Wait next video. So virtual is virtual data room. So Tamanna is Kalkamanchang. Tamanna is a dangerous cow and virtual data room.